If you're struggling to get views on YouTube or TikTok, this video might change everything for you. You don't need a laptop, you don't need expensive software, and you don't need editing experience. Today I'll show you how to create viral videos using CapCut, step by step. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about AI, content creation, and making money online using simple tools. If that sounds like what you want, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. CapCut is one of the most powerful free video editing apps right now. It works on Android, iPhone, and desktop. Big creators use it, brands use it, and the best part, beginners can use it easily. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select your video clips. This could be phone videos, stock videos, or screen recordings. Once selected, tap Add. This is where most people fail. A viral video has 3 parts. 1. A strong hook in the first 3 seconds. 2. Unvaluable or emotional content. 3. A clear ending or call to action. Always cut out boring parts. If it's not interesting, delete it. Tap on text and add bold captions. Captions keep people watching longer. CapCut also has auto captions powered by AI. Just click auto captions, select English, and generate. Don't overuse effects. Simple zooms, motion blur, and light transitions work best. For music, use trending sounds inside CapCut or low background music. For YouTube, export in 1080p or 4K, 30 frames per second. For TikTok and Reels, use 9:16 format and 1080p. Now you know how to create professional videos using CapCut for free. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment CapCut so I know to create more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.